Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Orange, parrot green, black, maroon, blue, A. Say with me, A. A for ant. B. Say with me, B. B for ball. C. Say with me, C. C for car. D. Say with me, D. D for dog. E. Say with me, E. E for egg. F. Say with me, F. F for flower. G. Say with me, G. G for garden. H. Say with me, H. H for hand. I. Say with me, I. I for ink. J. Say with me, J. J for jackfruit. K. Say with me, K. K for king. L. Say with me, L. L for lion. M. Say with me, M. M for mango. N. Say with me, N. N for nut. O. Say with me, O. O for orange. P. Say with me, P. P for potato. Q. Say with me, Q. Q for queen. R. Say with me, R. R for river. S. Say with me. S is for sun. T. Say with me. T. T for train. U. Say with me. U. U for uniform. B. Say with me. B. B for virus. W. Say with me. W. W for water. X. Say with me. X is for xylophone. Y. Say with me. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Say with me. Z. Z for zoo. Subscribe for more videos.